fam. Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. As always, I'm excited having you guys tuned into this YouTube channel. For the past few days, I've really been under the weather, but I'm back again to my family. So stick around with me as we react to today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this YouTube channel. I'll see you on the video. Let's go.
To be honest, the tribe on their own, they're like a feared community. Imagine them in Rugby sports.
Watch out.
I can't think of the action.
I really like when they first like
Bring out your tongue. Let me get our tongue.
I was actually eating something.
I always want to try that.
Well, you will never get the same energy as them.
I don't really know what they normally say, though, but I'm going to try my best. I was going to learn what they say first. Then I'll come and give it a try.
If they do haka, woo.
I don't want to say something they don't say, so it not be insulting.
Oh,
so
yeah.
Let me go and learn
offensive
it first. Yeah.
well.
Come on now, come on now, come on now. Boom. Energy.
I like the spirit.
I could literally feel him shout that.
I like the spirit.
Oh, and I didn't love my
It's Caleb Clark. I don't know whether you want to be kicking to this fellow because he'll hurt you. He'll hurt you big time. Caleb Clark thundering down towards the top. It's still going. Amazing run from the young wing.
The whole team is up against him, but they were unable to
hold him
down or get the ball from him. 1, 2, 3, 4.
He's fierce.
He's put the All Blacks deep inside Wallaby territory. Pass goes wide to Salvia. He's on. What a brilliant try by the All Blacks. Oh, what are we witnessing here?
Are you sure that passing?
Yes.
That's
Touchdown. There's this
they're so strong, they're swift.
Yeah. They're good at it.
Yeah.
I think that's the tribe, the Rock.
Yeah, the
Where
road.
he's from.
Samoa.
Why?
On it goes to Salvia. See you later.
They are literally fearless.
That guy is huge. The one behind.
Smith bustling his way through.
Like he literally break their line. I made a point.
Whoa! Look at that pass!
Done by Clem. Lovely break from Paranara, but once more they're on the move.
Whoa! Touchdown!
This is sweet.
Touchdown!
This is sweet.
Oh my God.
I've never been a fan of Rugby. I like the way. My God.
That's what I'm talking about.
Really, it's not a hype. It's not a hype.
I'm speechless.
My God.
Yeah, okay.
Touchline.
Whoa!
Against Kramer, and Perinara once again takes it quickly because he senses it's on out left. Here's Ioane stepping back, lovely ball away to Bridge. Taken by the cover. But here come the All Blacks again. Bowden Barrett runs into a big hole. Riding the tackles. And then throws it over. Sensational piece of play by Bowden Barrett. Jackson profits with the try.
Yeah. Rugby team. What's their name? Hopefully they can check if they look at the All Blacks. Oh my god, I wish I knew their name. I mean, their name, the All Blacks.
And it's New Zealand kicking off through Bowden Barrett. And early touch and an absolutely ferocious shot.
Now the prospect will sing some of these today. And it's worked brilliantly again. There's the pace.
Yeah, Jesus.
I think he's going to
You're like, run.
The guy just gave up. It was like, no,
What those legs? Move! I love this guy dying.
Steve McCurvalo playing under advantage. Here is Leobardi charging over the top and scoring. He's got the placement empty, and McKenzie cuts him down. Daniel McKenzie. Blacks win the penalty. Oh, Daniel McKenzie. You can't trade pace. Now a short pass for Satutu. Off it goes for Clark. All Blacks inside their own 22.
It's so good.
You better run in front of me.
Tom Wright, get out of my way.
Oh, he stole that ball. He stole that ball. He stole that ball. Move, 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 move.
oh my god!
Let off the blood. Let off the blood. You guys are
Down the
monsters.
back through Akira Ioane. Barrett stepping and breaking into some space. Still on his feet. Rico Ioane.
Don't let them
Still going. Gets the offload.
And they're
What a
kicking.
try on. He's still using.
I like it.
He was literally falling and passed it all.
And they don't keep people with themselves. They have a good formation. Yeah.
So George Bower on the field in 17. Little kick into space. Jordan's after it. He's got it. Will Jordan. Oh, he is quite sensational.
Whoa! Guys, the runner.
What are you trying to do? Okay, guys, they run faster than a cheetah. So funny.
Ball here now. Kane quickly through the hands. Tui Vasashik. Caleb Clark busting onto it. Breaking tackles. Caleb Clark. So hard to stop. And that's the perfect start to the second half.
He got digged down.
6.5 remaining. There are now 4 simple running. Lloyd Stalling run right.
It's community following.
Yeah. Bless you. Bless you.
Been a few years though. Yeah. Jordy Barrett dribbles it through. Here's Reese. Now, can he win the race? I reckon.
And if you notice, right, they are not aggressive.
No, they're not.
They play by the rule. Like from everything with the clip they'll be showing us,
Yeah.
they play by the. Because when he brought the man down, it's not aggressive.
Aggressive.
Yes,
Yeah.
or
Everything
he's
has
tackling
been
him.
has been by
you
the
know.
rule. I just feel like they understand the game more. They understand
the game,
their
they are strong,
passes.
they are skillful, they are swift, they are a runner, they are everything. That the definition of rugby.
I really want to know more
Ruby.
about this.
Rugby.
Rugby.
I want to know more about this game because these guys, I don't know the team they play for, but I want to be in that team because that's a go-getter team.
What a try!
Wow. How much does this guy entertain you? He just does not die wondering.
Into some more runners and who puts Leonard Brown into a game. Now there's a chance for Ioane. Slings a world pass beautifully. And now Retallick to Havili.
I said, yeah, we can understand the game more.
Oh! I didn't know you passed it down.
Behind.
Delivered quickly. Oh,
I just put it down. I saw that.
absolutely nailed. Wait, stop.
So that's fine. We have to dig down. Thank you.
Bouncing out of the net. Delivers the pass.
The opponent always keeps tired. She's not
Goes the ball past her.
the ball is still protected. Thanks.
Advantage, Mawson offside, the chipper in from Morga, rolls into the hands of Jordan, Richie Morga, the stem, losing his footing, but he's in. Richie Morga.
Yeah, I feel like you're going
One by England. Intercept. Dalton.
Oh, the stolen goal.
He's
Oh, the
got the
stolen
post. And he
goal.
has. And the All Blacks in early.
The strike going high. Easily, nicely taken by Morga, turning it back on the inside to fire the breaking tackles. Whitelock moves it on to Jacobson.
She's so proud of
Too
them.
early on here for Tonga, busting through his Papali'i. He's away.
Banks. He's got good pace, Tom Banks. Still going. They chase him down, Ioane. And he goes in.
It's about 8 yellows in international rugby. They'll try and cash in on it. The arm goes out from the referee. Smith swings the pass away.
Yeah, well, if I didn't get one more.
Yes. That is no question.
Australian territory. Taylor gets it round Pines Bridge. Puts it in a big game. Slings it up there on Smith. Smith and White. The two halfbacks.
When they get tired, like all the
They get exhausted, not just tired.
pushing.
But you can clearly see this is a game of passion. We played it in and then that was a good idea. It is brilliant. We played it as we got to the post. Move down. Fuck down.
There's Perenara feeds good stable scrum. Gets it up to Geordie Barrett. Feeds it up to Julian Saville.
Whoa. Whoa. That was please.
Time from his face.
Again. This time it's Jordan, just on his own side of halfway. Been really good, Will Jordan. Now he tries to do it himself. If it sits up, it does. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant.
I love these guys.
They make the sport looks easy.
Very fun.
I feel like I can play Ruby.
Huh?
Oh,
Is that what? Sorry, repeat that again.
they made
I-
it look
I don't
like
think-
this
Yeah.
I don't think they had you. You said you can do what?
Ah! Play Ruby.
Remember that one we watched about the women rugby that they
I'm
dragged
so
her
sorry,
head?
it was a mistake. It was a mistake.
So please.
If I want to play this game, I'm going to cut my hair. Number one, so you don't have anything to hold on to.
But if I really want to, if I want to watch this Ruby game, I would love to watch the All Black.
Yeah,
Messi,
God bless.
Messi, my wife. Let's just stick to what we know, please. Let's leave rugby for rugby.
For Ruby team,
We
at
will
least.
watch it from the sideline and hail
Yeah,
our
I'll
team.
hail
Because this game is not for the faint-hearted.
Obviously.
You just have to be mentally there.
You have to be
And
smart.
for the winning team.
Yeah.
Honestly, I support the team and I support their history. I don't really know much about their history, but please, if you really know the tribe that is, let me know. I really want to check
And the
them
name
out.
of the team, is it All Black?
Yeah.
And they actually gave us a good insight of all, because the Ruby game we've seen felt like there was no rule. But these people, they played by the rule.
Very professionally.
Like
Very
very
professional.
professional.
Yeah, I
And
know.
even when they were attacking, it wasn't like very,
Very aggressive.
aggressive,
No, they didn't.
vigorous,
I
or
didn't
from
see
a
them
place
in
of
chaos
hate.
foul.
It was
More like the
the
game,
game,
itself.
yeah.
Me, I would say the All Blacks, they're not hyped. They really represented
Sorry.
what they are.
I just saw
What the-
something.
What was that?
I'm wearing all black. I am your teammate.
I am too. I
Fight
am.
me. Fight me.
My trousers are my pants. I said my trousers are my pants. My headgear are my.
Trouser.
Look for me. I am one of you. All right, thank you guys for sticking around to this part. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this YouTube channel. Tell us what rugby team we should check out next. And we'll see you on our next update. For now, remember, blessed and
Bye.